Hi, we're doing something new today. It's Thanksgiving Day 2020, and we're, as a family, we all decided just to stay in our own households and play it safe this year. And Jenny's always and I's always hosted Thanksgiving with everybody and done turkey and mashed potatoes and all the good Thanksgiving dinner stuff. But since it's just Jenny and I, we decided to change it up a little bit and do something new. So we're gonna do some king crab legs on the smoker, so this will be fun. But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna baste them up, and this is some butter. We just melted some butter and Jenny sauteed some garlic, and then there's some basil and parsley in there, and I think that's it. Is that all, Jenny? Okay, so
yep.
Here it is. So I just got these are some nice king crab legs, but I'm just gonna that's gonna come out. I think I'm just gonna leave them whole, that one. But I got this smoker. I busted that, and the crab meat's wanting to come out of the shell. I was gonna maybe cut it open, but I think this will work just good. So we'll just kind of do this. I got the smoker out there. We're gonna do a kind of a slow cook on this, but just get a nice flavor. Yeah, so this will be fun. Yesterday I told Jenny I probably should wear a shirt. I don't care if I get butter on, but maybe this is the one.
Is that the one? No.
It's not my butter shirt.
Uh-huh.
I have a
lemon oil, get it out.
Yeah, lemon oil. I have one of my older t-shirts I'll wear when I cook bacon and stuff, because it's funny. I get my bacon shirt out. I'll say that all the time, huh, baby?
Yeah, we do have lemon oil. That does work well.
So, yeah, look at these this is going to be good. So, I'll just finish basting these up good. And like I said, I got the smoker out there preheating. And it's just Jenny and I. And look, I think I bought like 3 pounds of crab.
Oh,
so
yummy.
we're not going to need to eat much other than crab, but we baked up some good cornbread and stuff. But yeah, so I'll get these all basted up and we'll see you outside. Okay, here we go. It's chilly outside, but we got the smoker going. It's doing good. I think I'm going to cook these at 275 is what we decided. And I think it'll take maybe 30 minutes. And so we'll put them on at 275, and then we'll check them in 15. But look at these delicious crab legs.
Can we eat all those out?
Heck yes.
All right.
But look at this smoker.
Here we go.
This is pretty cool. Let's get them all going the same way so we can fit them all on there, huh? But yeah, we're going to cook these at 275. Like I said, we'll check them in 15 and baste them up again. I'm using apple wood pellets on the Traeger smoker. Yeah, this is fun. So here we go. Look at the butter. Brr. I'll get the rest of these on here, and then we'll get going, and we'll see you back in 15. Okay, let's check this crab out. It's been about 12 minutes or so. We was getting a little anxious, so we wanted to look and see how it's doing. But it smells delicious.
Looks like crab.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to spin all these the other way. And then we'll baste them up with butter again, and we'll cook it. We'll go another 10 minutes, I think, and we should be good. So let's get these going this other way. Yeah, it's a beautiful Thanksgiving night. It's chilly. Where'd the neighbors go? See
Wait,
down
what?
there? There's the goat, the horse. There's a little snow on the mountain up there. That. So we'll just get some butter. Oh, this smells good.
The animals have blankets on.
Landscape, Jenny.
Yeah. I got a horse butt.
this smells good. Just get all this
Oh,
good
yeah.
butter on here. Yeah. Good times cooking in the outdoors. We'll give it up 10 or 12 more minutes and we should be good to go. So we'll see you back. Here we go. The crab's ready to come off, and look, the train is right on schedule coming down the track on Thanksgiving.
Every time.
That's cool. But yeah, so here we go. So this smells so good. Oh, that is perfect. It's getting dark outside, but yeah.
Yummy.
That is
Let's eat that.
delicious. So I'm gonna pull these crab legs off the smoker, put them on this pan. We'll go in the house and we'll try this out. So we'll see you back. Okay, here we go. Thanksgiving 2020 crab legs. Yummy. Let's try this out. Oh, look at that. I came right out of there. Bring it. Look at that.
Yummy.
That's perfect. I love it when it just comes out like in one big piece like that. But let's dip it in this nice butter sauce. Jenny whipped up. There's lemon in there too. I don't think I said lemon before. Holy smoke. That is delicious. That butter is awesome. Man. There you go. Crab legs on Thanksgiving on the Traeger smoker. This has been fun. Hope everybody had a good holiday, and I hope you like this video, and we'll see you next time.
Stay safe.
Peace. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
These king crabs are prickly, but I can't. I need something to hold. Let's try this one. Hold that like that. Go up there, but these are delicious. The smoke flavor is so good on this. It's kind of, I don't know.
Just pull it out with your fingers.
I'm taking too much time. Just eat with my fingers. But look at that crab meat. And that applewood on the smoker was it's so good. Yeah, eat with fingers. Yummy. So there's a second ending. So, peace, cool. Yeah.